There's my queen. Hey, Caroline. Hey, girl, hey. Look at that frame. Look at the colors. Look at them drones. Hi, boys. Welcome to 2026. You ready to impregnate some queens? Get your groove on. Hey, drone. Nosy boy. Drones are nosy and noisy. Wow, look at that frame. This entire frame, almost entire, is full of brand new eggs, which is exactly what the second box is supposed to be. If I'm not mistaken, one side of one of these frames is around 3,200 cells. If it were full completely with eggs, it'd be 3,200. So 6,400 per frame. That's a lot of bees. Same thing here, full of eggs. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is exactly what I wanted to see. More eggs. This is lucky number 7. Woo, you think you can get through there, huh? Flip over. Behave. Look at her freaking out, trying to get it off. You're fine, Mama. Keep moving. Look at this. How they've built this. Up, above. Wow. This is my dad's hive. Oh my goodness! Almost screwed up there. Well, looks like y'all need a second box, so let's find the queen and I'll go grab a box. So this is the Bobby hive. Wow, look at that frame. Named after my dad. And look at all this honey they've built up top. My goodness. It's just dripping. Okay, well there's brand new eggs and larvae. Queen is in here and in good shape. I've not seen her. I bet this frame weighs 10 pounds. There she is. Hey, Bobby. Look at that frame of brood. Wow, both sides. And I'm hoping that's just a practice. Yeah, it's empty. That's about 6,000 bees right there, about to be born. Maybe 5,000. It's not all the way to the edges, but so looks like I definitely need to find the queen and add a second box. Drop off. There you go. There's my queen. Go get a second box. That's developing drone bees, male honeybees. Almost fully developed. They got split open. It's what they call purple eye drones. Almost fully mature with purple eyes. Look at them pollen pants. Wow, those are some happy bees. Good morning, ladies. Oh my goodness, this frame is so heavy. Wow. That is so full. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. Okay, but look at all those beautiful eggs. Larvae, I mean. And all that. Oh, so gorgeous.